In this video, we're going to take a look at two ways that we can broadcast an emergency notification across the entire website using Webspeed. So, first, we're going to be logged in to Webspeed as a school administrator who has web manager capabilities. And there are two ways that we can approach this. The simplest is to open up the Webspeed application, and there is an icon here that says broadcast. And what this does when we enter message content, so for example, sample broadcast message, maybe we want to link to something. When we save content in this scrolling message and save this, and we come back to the website and refresh, what you'll see is that it adds a banner here up at the top. Whatever text we had put in the broadcast message is broadcast up here as it scrolls across. And if a user decides to hover over that and click, it's going to open up whatever URL we've specified. Very, very simple and easy and quick. And what's nice about this is anywhere I go onside the site, that same banner is going to be present. So no matter what page somebody might be looking at, what they've bookmarked inside your website, that same banner will be there. So great for emergency announcements. So that's approach number one. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the broadcast just by removing that content from the scrolling message. All right, so we'll save that, and now we are back to normal. So the second method requires navigating a little bit into the content in Webspeed. And if you've seen the video on navigation, you've seen the tool for the Webpage Layout. So in the Webpage Layout, there is for the Webpage Layout for the root site, we have a panel here that is hidden by default. And the panel you can see is referencing this emergency notice. And what happens here is this is hidden by default. If I want to, I can choose to show this on all screens. And if I make that change, then whatever is in this emergency notice document will get pushed out to every screen. So specifically, that document, right, it's right here, emergency notice. And what's nice about the emergency notice is it gives us a full panel. So if I want to provide a sort of a lengthy description of what's going on, maybe this is our new COVID policy, whatever it might happen to be, I can come in, I can be as lengthy as I need to be and save these changes. And by turning on that panel here inside the web page layout, when we come to the website now and refresh, what you'll see is that this content gets pushed to the top of, again, every page in the site. So here inside this page, we've got our announcements. On our giving page, right, this comes through everywhere inside the system. So just another easy, relatively quick way to get a message out to all of our users, no matter what page they're coming to visit. And again, when we don't need that any longer, we just come back into web page layout, and we'll go ahead and tell it to hide that layout. And at that point, when we refresh, that banner is gone. So that's all there is to it. Thanks.